by and take a look at the 2019 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, 4-wheel disc brakes, power tailgate, navigation system, heads-up display, Sirius satellite radio, heated front seats, tachometer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.